Hello everyone. Welcome back to the Uda Nazar story channel. In today's video, Uda Nazar will take you on a journey of spirited running and unforgettable adventure. Alongside the inspirational Chief Operating Officer of PT Bintan Resort Cakrawala, Mr. Abdul Wahab, we will explore the extraordinary beauty of the captivating Lagoi tourism area. Get ready to immerse yourselves in a narrative brimming with energy and the wonders of nature that greet every step we take. Prepare to feel the surging adrenaline as we traverse the captivating Lagoi tourism area. Now is the moment for us to take that first step together into this thrilling story, stepping into a realm filled with wonders, and experiencing the fervent energy that courses through every gust of wind and each beat of our footsteps. Uda Nazar will guide you through an unforgettable experience, filled with the splendor of nature and the blazing spirit. In these epic moments, let us brace ourselves for an experience that will ignite our spirits. On this day filled with boundless hope, we are granted an unparalleled privilege to run side by side with Mr. Abdul Wahab, the inspiration, the pioneer, the legendary Chief Operating Officer of PT Bintan Resort Cakrawala. However, it's not just his visionary prowess that sends tremors. It's the monumental zeal with which he embraces an active lifestyle that leaves us in awe. With him, we're not merely running, but rather, becoming one with the contagious spirit that pervades. We have primed ourselves with an energetic warm-up, finding warmth and spirit in every movement. And when the time comes, we embark on the first steps of this adventure, following the trail of inspiration he has paved. We feel the extraordinary surge of spirit as our feet firmly tread the ground, each step a hymn of courage. Picture this. We're running in harmony with nature's rhythm. The beauty of the Lagoi area leads our journey. The sun sweeps the sky with golden rays. The reflection of the sea beguiles, and the lush trees offer an invigorating breeze. We chase the wind, feeling the refreshing breeze rejuvenate our souls, while sensing every pulsating wave of energy within us. This isn't just about running, my friends. It's an excavation of our boundless potential. Alongside Mr. Abdul Wahab, we're weaving a tale of spirit, of courage, of embracing life with fervor. If we can conquer the challenging route of Lagoi, we can conquer any challenges life presents. This momentum isn't solely about running. It's about our journey, the path we choose to navigate life with unwavering dedication. We are a part of this narrative, where each step inscribes an unwavering spirit. So, let's make every step a stride toward dreams, towards well-being, and towards a more meaningful life. With the blazing spirit that ignites within us, let's continue this journey together, traversing the unparalleled wonders of the Lagoi area. The participation doesn't end with Mr. Abdul Wahab. We are also accompanied by a group of enthusiastic participants from Bintan Island itself. These participants bring a distinctive local spirit, highlighting the significance of sports in daily life. We engage with several participants, listen to their inspirational stories, and feel the unique camaraderie in every stride of our run. The thrilling running journey with Mr. Abdul Wahab and the local participants in the Lagoi area is an unforgettable experience. We've immersed ourselves in the breathtaking beauty of nature, the inspiring spirit of the community, and the positive energy of maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below the video. See you in the next video on our channel, where more adventures await.